A 4.8 magnitude earthquake was felt across the capital region this morning.
This happened right around 10:30. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, the epicenter was located near White House Station, New Jersey. Now, that's a little more than 100 miles south of Albany, about 50 miles west of New York City.
Officials say there were no injuries or significant damage to any buildings here.
However, the impact was still felt throughout our area. News ABC's Anthony Krolikowski joining us live in the studio with more on that. Anthony.
John and Lydia, the East Coast woke up just after 10 this morning as an earthquake centered in northern New Jersey could be felt even here at News 10. I went to the state capitol, which was in a short panic as people ran from buildings worrying about their safety.
And all of a sudden I felt the building just start swaying and I got panicked because I'm like, I thought something hit the building.
In my case, I want to go home. I have elderly at home, which I called and, she's pretty nervous, so that's why I'm headed home.
The 4.8 magnitude earthquake is one of the largest to occur on the East Coast in recent history, according to Governor Kathy Hochul. The state immediately beginning damage assessment.
Right now, it's most important that we have our structural teams out there, our engineering teams, surveying our bridges, our roads, any area there could be a fault line that is not easily detectable.
JFK and Newark airports were on full ground stops out of caution of aftershocks, but have since reopened. The governor adding Amtrak, MTA, and LaGuardia Airport never stopped service.
We've not identified any life-threatening situations, but we are certainly asking our local law enforcement and emergency services teams to be on guard for that as well.
And aftershocks aren't very easy to predict. Dr. Aubrey Hillman explains why.
All of the rocks basically are in this new position and they kind of have to adjust. So it's usually of a smaller magnitude and they're occurring so far beneath our feet.
Dr. Hillman says sheltering in place at a secure building for smaller magnitude earthquakes is safe. But for areas with larger and more frequent earthquakes,
I think the approach actually is the opposite, is to move out away from the building so that objects don't fall on you and the building doesn't collapse.
According to the governor's office, 3 smaller aftershocks have already been reported. Experts say these aftershocks are normal and are not expected to cause any damage. Reporting live in studio, Anthony Krolikowski, News 10 ABC.